sir. Welcome back to the channel. You know, your boy Credit K, boss up, baby. We're back. Great video talking about financing your business, your self-employed endeavors, your startup, anything you got going on presently, regarding business-wise, and you, whether it's 1099 contractor, gig worker, working for these apps, courier work, you got the small business, hairdresser, barber, tattoo artist, whatever you do, solopreneur-wise, I got a way to get some funding to help expand your business, help you grow, maybe get some new equipment, possibly get a new vehicle, do this courier thing. I help you guys out. Don't forget to hit that like button. Smash the subscribe button. I need to get these likes up. I need to get these comments up in these videos. You guys are not letting me know where you at. I still need to know what cities you are so I can provide the information, provide courier work, provide companies to help you guys get started with in your area. So comment the city down below, shout it out, let me know where you're from, and let's get going. So Fundo, get the dough. Fundo company, like I said, allows you to get funding in minutes. For self-employed workers, you apply, you connect your present bank account, and they give you a decision. Real quick, I actually applied right before I started this video, and I'm going to show you my loan qualification results of what they offer me. I haven't accepted it yet, but we'll see what it looks like and if I will actually accept that offer. All right, so who qualifies for Fundo? You see it right here: freelancers, small businesses, contractors, self and franchises, Amazon sellers, Avon sellers, your pyramid schemes, what they call network marketers, event planners, tutors. You see, all just like I said, anybody that's like a solopreneur, you work for yourself, you do your own thing, they provide the money for you. Even you guys working on TaskRabbit, Upwork, Fiverr. I'm not sure if this is internationally. You probably have to be a American-based person to qualify for this. Like I said, minimum revenue $1,500. So like I said, the bank account I had connected to only has about $2,000 going in it every month, and I got qualified. So like I said, you can make $1,500 in a week, doing some of these gig apps, at least 2 weeks doing some of these gig apps if you go hard at it. So that's not hard to make. It's a cash advance, so they go off of the money you have coming in and you pay it back weekly. Now, I do know most of these cash advances are weekly payments. Some are even daily, but I'm pretty sure this one is a weekly payback term, which is not bad. You get out of the debt faster. So long as the interest rate is not too high, you should have a problem. And unfortunately, if you are in the California and New York area, you will not be able to use this product. You will not be able to apply. They are not offering the service to California or New York. So I apologize for that. You can go ahead and click off the video, make sure you hit the like and check out some of my other content. And also, if you're looking at this video on the Boss Up with K, please go over to Kevin Blackman channel, where I primarily focus on credit. And if you on the Kevin Blackman channel, if you want to learn how to make more money, start your own business, get some income, then hop on over to Boss Up with K and get some gain from there. Subscribe to both. All right, for that commercial break, let's get back to the content. And then so also got bad credit still apply. My credit score was trash and they still approve me, as long as you don't have an open bankruptcy. You have a closed bankruptcy. If you 2 years out of bankruptcy, 2 years out of that courtroom with Chapter 7, I know I've been through Chapter 7. I know the experience. I can talk to you about that if you need any consulting. As far as credit, business credit, courier work, starting your own business, definitely tap in, link down in the description. You can do some consulting. How much you can get? Like I said, you go up to $500, up to $10,000. So you get up to $10,000. No personal guarantee, no personal credit check. Well, no hard credit pull, so you won't get an inquiry. But they will look at your credit, make sure you don't have any open bankruptcies. All right. So that's what they do, how it works, why you might want to choose them. So like I said, they work with small business people. You can give them a call, send them an email if you got any extra questions or concerns. But now is the time you guys are waiting for. How much did I get approved for? What was my approval? Let's get a drum roll, please. And ding. Congratulations, Kevin Blackman. That is my real name. Don't try to steal my identity. I got that thing clock locked down. So you try it. The feds coming to your door. And like I say, offer me. So here's the program. I'm not sure why they call it a program. Here's the program they offer me. And once accepted, your agents will contact you to finalize details. But for a 10-week program, I got to pay it back weekly. 10 weeks. So if I borrow $1,100, I got to pay back $192 a week. That is crazy. If you do the math, that's over $800 on top of the initial loan. Man, that's almost a 50% loan rate. That is crazy. If you go out to 20, it's a little better here, but not really because you're doing it for 20 weeks. So it's actually not better. And then if you do 30-week program, then they're paying more. I do the math on that. I ain't even go that far. Once I saw that and saw the math was crazy, I was like, yeah, it's no point looking at that. 191 over 30 weeks. So like you're definitely paying back more than you borrowed. That's crazy. But if you are in need of money, there you go, guys. I give y'all the real. There's no ads on here. This company is not paying me to provide the information. But you see the loan rates, you see they are not very favorable. But if you are in need of cash, or if you are using, this money to make a quick flip, you can make a quick extra buck with it. Then go ahead, try it out. You got 30 weeks to pay back the full amount. And how they pay their money back is you connect your bank account, and they'll debit their money right on out, unless you take all the money out, and then they can't get the money and close the bank account. But I don't recommend doing that. I recommend everybody doing everything on the up and up and keeping your business official. You feel me? All right, so that is Fundo with the Fundo Rundo. And go ahead and check them out. Rates not that favorable. Rates not that great. But yeah. $1,100, 102 weekly payments. I just can't get jiggy with that. Can't get down with that, man. But try them out. Possibly have a link down in the description. Later on, man. Boss up, baby. Get to the money.